Okay, today we're here to try this Shaka Shaka fries that Paul sent me. So this one's supposed to be McD fry seasoning, sour cream, and onion. He always sends me a little little note saying what it is in case we can't translate it with a translator app. So it comes with the bag, because the bag has instructions. So you put in your fries. Got a medium fries with no salt. That way you're not adding extra salt to your seasoning that you get. Then you add your seasoning packet. Try not to breathe this because it's gonna make you sneeze. Is it all in? I think so. Okay, and then you roll it down a little bit so that you your seasoning doesn't leak out, and then you shake it up. Okay. And you open it up. Paul usually tears off the top so he can show you what it looks like on the inside. So it is covered. Almost smells cheesy, but it actually does taste a little cheesy. Maybe that's the sour cream aspect. I think Japan's version of sour cream and onion might be a little different than ours. This tastes a little sweeter too. Yeah, that's a good one too. So if you happen to be in Japan and you see that they have a Shaka Shaka fries, try it out. Or if you become one of Paul's Patreons at certain levels, he does send you some when he finds them at McDonald's. And one time KFC actually had one too. So he'll send whatever they get. So that's part of your Patreon perks. So let's see. So I'm going to give this one's actually really good. I'm going to give it an A too. It's different than our type of sour cream and onion, so I like it. So anyways, I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.